CNC Router 6090 metal carving machine. Item specifics: CNC or not CNC. Condition new. Model number CNC 6090 ZVFD. CNC Router 6090 metal carving machine 1.5 kW water-cooled CNC milling machine 110V 220V. The CNC Router is suitable for industry, technology research, advertising design, arts creation, teaching, student project, and hobby purposes. The CNC Router is designed for large area engraving work such as industrial or hobby prototype building, building model making, PCB, advertising signs, artwork, crafts, aircraft models, RC model parts, etc. So, you can do engraving work at office or home. In addition, it can be upgraded to be installed a rotational axis. More precise stepping motor. The engraving process is visible as controlled by computer. Simple operation and installation. 2-year machine part and 6 months electrical parts, stepping motor, spindle-free warranty. Technical parameters. Lighting 6090 ZVFD 1.5 kW 3-axis engraving machine parameters. Machine dimensions: 1200 by 780 by 5 medium. Rack material: 6061 and 6063 hard aluminum alloy. The unique and dedicated mold extrusion profiles let counterfeiters dwarfs. Engraving area: 900 by 600 Z-axis stroke: 125 mm. Engraving depth depends on the length of the tool edge. Acceptable material thickness: less than or equal to 125 mm. Rail type: chrome pin shaft plus linear bearings, surface hardening 61 HRC. Type of screw: ball screw 1006. Thanks for watching. More details check in the description.